This is the Igbo Tutor live. I know today is the day we're fixed for this special program, the Let's Talk Igbo Language live. So wherever you are and you're seeing me now, you have to come on board because we have to start in earnest. Remember, we scheduled to meet by this time every Saturday. Last Saturday was wonderful, and today is going to be greater. So wherever you are, you're hearing my voice now, or you're seeing me, you just have to come on board. This is the Igbo Tutor live. In this live session, we make it a duty to drill ourselves to learn and then measure our level of knowledge of Igbo language. The Igbo Tutor is a YouTube channel which is being anchored by me, but we began to run live sessions based on popular requests of our members so that we can avail you of the opportunity to practice what you have learned over time and even learn more. There is no way you can be able to speak Igbo language by just watching videos. You need to practice what you have learned. And we acknowledge the fact that many of our learners are scattered all around the globe, most of them not having anybody to practice what they are learning with. In fact, when they even try to speak, they are being booed and jeered at. People mock them and they give up easily. So we began to have this live session to give you the opportunity to practice what you have learned and measure your level of progress so that you can advance further. So we are here for you. The Igbo Tutor is live. Here we give you opportunity to learn and relearn again and advance your Igbo learning and even add more to what you have known before. We have our YouTube channel wherein we have so many videos that are so educational, so instructive, so detailed. But we use this live session to give you the opportunity to measure your progress in your learning. So all our students are expected to join us in this live session to be able to challenge themselves to measure their level of progress. So wherever you are, you're seeing me now, we expect you to join up now. This lesson will start in earnest. We are now at the appointed time and date. This is 2 o'clock, 2 p.m. Nigerian time. This is the time we schedule to meet every Saturday. So I'm waiting for you to join up now so that the lesson will start immediately. So where are you now? The Igbo Tutor is live now. Where are you? Join up now. Let's do this together. This is what we do every Saturday, same time, every Saturday, same time, every Saturday, 2 p.m. Nigerian time. We always meet here to challenge ourselves to speak, learn Igbo language. So wherever you are expected to join up now. The Igbo Tutor is live now. Let's join up. Let's join up wherever you are in any part of the world. Are you married to an Igbo person? Are you a friend of Igbo? Are you a business partner? Are you, having Igbo parents, born of Igbo parents, but you don't know how to speak Igbo language? You desire to speak and know Igbo. This is the place to be. So join up now wherever you are in any part of the world. This is the Igbo Tutor live. So this is created for every Igbo lover, every Igbo speaker, every Igbo learner, every Igbo friend, every Igbo partner, every Igbo fiancé. So wherever you are, or every Igbo wife or husband, wherever you are in any part of the globe, you are to take this opportunity to learn Igbo language. So join up now, and as you join, please drop your a welcome message so that we can pick your name and welcome you specially. And also confirm that you are hearing me as you are joining. Let's be sure you are hearing me as I speak. So let me see you drop your no or ndewo or dalo. Just drop something. Let's know you are here. I know some of you are already here, but let me just pick your name and be sure you're here. I have a special greeting for you. So just drop your greeting. Let's be sure you are here. Say no. Say ndewo. Say dalo. That will also confirm that you are hearing me live. You are hearing me clear enough. That is the confirmation. So please drop your greetings. I see some of you are already here in class. So drop your greetings. Let me hear you. Let me see you. Drop your greetings. Let me pick your name. Let me welcome you specially. So I'm waiting for your comment. I'm waiting for your chat. I'm waiting for your greetings. So do drop your greetings so that we can proceed without wasting any time at all. The Igbo tutor is live. So let's come up, let's join up, let's begin to learn immediately. We do not have much time. We want to start the lesson in earnest because we have a lot to cover today. So wherever you are, please join up now and drop your greetings as you join so that we can know you are here. We pick your name and give you a special greetings. That will also afford us of the opportunity to know that you are hearing us clear. Please join up. Please join up now. Let's begin in earnest. We do not want to waste a lot of time. The Igbo tutor is here. Wherever you are, see me on your YouTube channel now, the homepage, or this is being sent to you by way of the scrolling or by way of invitation. By any means, you got this, or by sharing, you are in the right place. Join up now. Let's learn Igbo language. Let's speak Igbo language. Let's talk Igbo language live. This is live. This is not recorded teaching. This is live teaching. So avail yourself of this opportunity. You can ask questions here and get direct answers. You can seek for clarifications. You can measure your level of progress in Igbo language learning. You can also learn from others who are community members who are going to join us very soon. So you are welcome. No, let's do this together. I'm still waiting for greetings from those who are here. Let me be sure they are hearing me. Okay, I can see Chikezie, you are here. No, Chikezie. Please, Chikezie, confirm that my voice is clear enough. Confirm you are hearing me, Chikezie. Let me be sure I'm audible enough. I'm using mic. I want to be sure my mic is working. So please, Chikezie, confirm that my voice is audible enough and is clear for everyone to hear and understand. So Chikezie, confirm that my voice is clear enough. Now, while we are waiting for others to join up now, where are the rest? Where are the rest? The Igbo tutor is already live. Let's do this together. I'm expecting others to join up now. We have a scheduled time and date, so we do not need to waste time. We need to get ready before time, make time for these, block off our calendars and time schedules so that we can always be here on time and do this together. What we experience is that people always join later when we have gone far, when we have covered a lot. And then they struggle to, catch up, and then they ask for more time. That is pushing us beyond the scheduled 1 hour we intend to stay here. So, but if we join on time, it will help us to cover enough ground and then end the lesson on time. So it's important that we always join on time. Okay, Chikezie Anamanu. Okay, Chikezie confirm that is hearing me very well. That shows that my mic is working perfectly. No, Chikezie Dalu. Kendi Ozono, where are the rest? Ole ụmụ akwụkwọ anyị, ole ebe ha nọ? Ole ndị ọzọ anyị na-achọ ibidokwa ugbu a? We want to start and we want you to join up now. Let's not waste any time at all. Let's not waste any time at all. Let's join up. Let's do this together. Where are the rest? Still waiting for a few of you to join up so that we can begin in earnest. Actually, ibido. Ole ụmụ akwụkwọ anyị, ole ndị ọzọ ka ebe ha nọ? Ngwa bịa na klaasị ka ibido ọsịsọ, oge adịghị. Anyị na-achọ ibido ihe ọmụmụ nke taa. Ya mere unu mee ọsịsọ bịa na ụlọ akwụkwọ. Bịa n'ebe ọmụmụ anyị ka anyị malite maka oge adịghị ọzọ. Eme ngwa emeghara ọdachi. When we do fast, we'll avoid other things that might happen and may hinder us. So join up now. Perhaps you're seeing me for the first time. I am the Igbo tutor. We have the Igbo tutor YouTube channel through which you have so many videos for learning Igbo language. But this live session, we began to run this session on popular demand because we felt that learning the language alone, watching videos alone is not enough. So we need to complement it with live sessions where we measure our level of progress, where we challenge ourselves to learn more and to know how far we've gone and to even, test ourselves in a way by being able to construct sentences, understand sounds, know the meaning of words, and then be able to communicate with them effectively. And also write. Ability to write is also important. These are the things we test in this live session. So these important aspects of your learning, ability to write and understand sounds and be able to make sentences and phrases accordingly using the words. So these are the things we do in this live session. So if you are seeing me for the first time, you are welcome on board. Please join us now. Let's do this together. You'll be glad you did. Every Saturday we do this at 2 p.m. Nigeria time. So block that off in your calendar and always get prepared to join on time. Now we're beginning. We do not need to wait for others who might want to join later. We want to respect those who keep to our time, so we will not waste their time. And also, we appreciate the fact that some people will still have to watch this video after our session because it will be uploaded automatically by YouTube into our channel homepage. So, because of those people who will watch later, those who are here on time, we have to start right away. In our last session, please, if you are joining up, you indicate and you said no, okay? Deo, Anna Mekele, okay, that's Mrs. Ozua, Mrs. Adumije, that is Igbo, no. Where are the rest? We have about 4 people here. Please drop your greetings. Let's know you are here. I've only seen 2 people dropping their greetings. Where are the rest? Drop your greetings. Give this video a thumbs up. Then also share this live session. Share it so that others in your channel can have access. Your friends can have access. They can also, get the notification and join us. So share, like, and share this live session. It's important to us. That will give it wider publicity and then bring more people to join us in this live session. So, no. And some other people who are here, please drop your greetings. Let's know you are here. We're beginning right away. Last week, we began the drill on Igbo word meaning and then making sentences with them on your own. We drop the word, we ask you for the meaning, you pick the meaning, write the correct spelling of the word, and then we make a sentence with that in English, while challenging you to repeat the same sentence in Igbo language in the chat session. We did very well last week, and we are continuing in that direction this week. Anyị na-amalite ugbu a, ya mere, biko dịka ị na-ege ntị, anyị na-amalite ugbu a, anyị ga-enye gị okwu, anyị nye gị okwu, ga-agwa anyị okwu ahụ pụtara n'olu Igbo, then n'olu Bekee, then ịgwa anyị ya ga-ede ya ede, idesia ya, anyị enye gị ahịrị okwu, that is a sentence. That's what we call ahịrị okwu in Igbo, sentence. Anyị enye gị ahịrị okwu, ga-ede ahịrị okwu, were mkpụrụ okwu ahụ dere anyị ahịrị okwu. You will use that word to write a sentence for us. Ben, no, Yalo. Okay, Ben is here. Igbo is here. Chikezie is here. Chikezie, please let me give you notice that Igbo has told me he will drag the class captainship with you again today. So be prepared. She wants to take this position from you. So I gave you this notice in advance. She told me this in confidence. But I'm sorry, I'm spilling the beans now. So we move on now to start the lesson right away. The first word we're looking at today is akoko. Akoko. First, you write a word in the chat. Write a word with the correct spelling. Write the word akoko. Then we now go, the second part is the meaning of akoko, and the third part is the sentence with akoko. So the word now is akoko. Please write it. Igbo has written already. I told Chikezie that this woman wants to give him a run today. She has dropped the word already, akoko. Chikezie, where are you? Where are you? Where is your own word? Akoko. Igbo has done that already. Akoko. Akoko. Where is Ben? Ben, you are waiting for the sentence, but you need to do it so that we can flow together. Drop the word akoko. Akoko. Yes. Have we done that? Akoko. Please see one person dropping the word. Where are the rest? Akoko bebe. Okay. Akoko. McDonald, where are you? Chikezi? Drop your word. The word is akoko. The word is akoko. Akoko. Yeah. Just type the word in the chat. Akoko. It's important that you do what we ask you to do because that is the way to measure your knowledge. If you are able to write the word correctly, that shows you understand the sound of Igbo word and you can convert the sound to words and sentence. That is the beginning of your progress. So if you don't do that, you are not following. And you might think you know it, but you might not know it. So what we ask you to do, we have a reason for that. When we say pronounce a word in Igbo and ask you to write it, we want to test your ability to recognize the sound and be able to, convert the sound to words. That shows you know the Igbo alphabet well. For you to be able to convert the sound to word. That is the first step you have passed. Then we move to the meaning of the word. Up from there, we go to making sentence with the word. So please follow it in that order. That will help you so much and help us so much. Many people have joined this class now, but we have not picked their name because they've not greeted us, they've not saluted us. Because ndị na-join the class ugbu a si na anyị nnọọ, si anyị daalụ, si anyị ndewo no, so that anyị wee mara ahụ wee kelee unu ekele pụrụ iche. Yeah, but if you are joining this class, what I said now is if you have joined this class, drop your greeting so that we can pick your name and send you special salute from all of us here. It's important. Now the word is akoko. Many people have written akoko. Okay, Chikeze has written Igbo, the first person that wrote, then followed, and McDonald followed. Now, what is the meaning of akoko? Drop the meaning in the chat. That is the second test. Drop the meaning of akoko in the chat. What is the meaning of akoko? Drop it. Remember to like this session. Okay, Igbo says story. I'm waiting for others. Remember to like this live stream. Hit the like button. Share it out to your friends and then subscribers too and neighbors so that they can also join us in this particular session. Please, these are important to us. First, you like. Second, you share. And then you follow our teaching and do what we ask you to do as we move on. Okay, story, history, okay? Okay, Chikezie expanded it further. Story, history, okay? Akoko, okay. But story is okay for that. Ben, you did not write anything. I waited for you. I didn't see your response. We have about 8 people here, but we've not welcomed them all because they've not greeted us. They've not dropped their greeting so that we can pick their name. Okay, Ben say Opotara, story. Okay, story, akoko. Okay, we're going to use story as the meaning of this. History, if you use history, we're going to add some other things to it to make it history. So, but story is akoko. So we leave it at that. If it's going to be history, we have to add little more things to it to make it become history. Okay? Now we're using story for this. Now the sentence. The sentence is Kọrọ anyị akụkọ maka obodo gị. Kọrọ anyị akụkọ maka obodo gị. Tell us a story about your country or nation. Kọrọ anyị akụkọ maka obodo gị. Kọrọ anyị akụkọ maka obodo gị. Who is writing that first? Yes, Chikezie. Kọrọ anyị akụkọ maka obodo gị. Okay, Chikezie seems to be taking up the challenge with Igbo. I told him Igbo want to overthrow him as class captain, but it's like he's raising his game higher to show Igbo that you cannot take this position from me. Igbo has said, written, Kọrọ anyị akụkọ maka obodo gị. Great. Ben wrote, Kọrọ anyị maka akụkọ obodo gị. No, you mixed it up. The words are there, but you didn't arrange it the way I said it. Talking to Ben now. Kọrọ anyị akụkọ maka obodo gị. That's what I said. So Ben, you rearrange your words properly. So rearrange your word properly. I know you know it, but you have to rearrange it the way I said it. Kọọrọ anyị akụkọ maka obodo gị. Tell us a story about your nation, about your country. So I'm waiting for Ben to correct himself, but I know he knows what to write. But I must salute Chikezie, first person to write, and he got it correctly. Igbo is not giving up. Igbo also wrote Mrs. Adumije, and she got it perfectly well, 100%. Ben is trying to correct his own writing. I'm sure he's doing that right now. We're going to see it very soon. What about the rest? I've warned you that when you are in class, don't just listen and watch what others are doing. Do what others are doing. Join to compete. That is the only way you can measure your level of progress. That is the only way you can know whether you need to do more or not. That is the only way you can learn faster. That helps you to measure your progress, to measure your ability so far. Then you'll be able to know whether you need to do more in terms of watching videos or in terms of engaging in live teaching, direct one-on-one teaching, which we also offer, or you buy our ebooks, which will help you to advance further. These are channels and avenues we have created to help you learn faster. So that is why we are here. Okay, Ben has written Kọọrọ anyị akụkọ maka obodo gị, as perfectly said. We've done the first one, go to the second one. The second word is abalị. Oh, sorry. I'm not supposed to say the word in Igbo. I'm supposed to say it in English. But I've said it in Igbo, abalị. So write the word. Okay, I'm supposed to say it in Igbo, actually. Write the word abalị. Then we now go for the meaning. Okay, Igbo has shot already. Yes, Chikezie abalị. Okay, Ben, where are you? Ben, where are you? And the rest of us who are in class, what are you doing? You are not dropping anything. You are not greeting us. You are not contributing. Why are you here? We are many in the class already. But the rest chose to keep quiet. They are not typing. They are not writing. They are not greeting us. We only have 3 names here. Where are the rest? We need to know who is in class. It's important to us. So please drop your greetings. Let's know who you are, where you are joining from, which part of the world are you joining us from. If you are new to class, please, let's see you and welcome you. Let's welcome you especially. So, abalị, please hit the like button. Please share this live session and then contribute as others are doing. Respond to questions, ask questions, tell us who you are, greet us, tell us which part of the world you are joining us from. Are you in Nigeria, in America, in Austria, in Germany, in the UK, in Asia countries, wherever you are, please let's know where you are learning from. Okay, Sukdev Kaur said he's learning from Malaysia. That's great. Malaysia. Thank you. No, Mr. Sukdev Kaur. I hope I'm able to pronounce your name very well. It's very difficult for me. But that is the importance of you greeting us. We'll be able to know who we are, who is in class, from which part of the world we are learning from. This, my brother is from Malaysia. And then he has dropped, please, let's drop our greetings to Mr. Shukdev. Let's say no to Shukdev. Let's welcome Shukdev to class. I believe Shukdev, is it the first time you are joining our live class? I want to know, please indicate, because I'm not sure I've seen your name before in our live class from Malaysia. Is it the first time you are joining our live class? If it is so, please indicate. Indicate that this is your first time of joining our live class. Okay, you are welcome. You can see they are dropping welcome for you, Mr. Shukdev. That is the importance of, doing something for us to pick your name. That is the importance of, dropping a greeting, importance of, identifying yourself. Let's welcome you. People are now dropping their welcome for you, Mr. Shukdev from Malaysia. Thank you. No, you're a lover of Igbo, you're a friend of Igbo, a business partner, you are a fiancé, a husband to Igbo or wife or whoever you are, we love you. Anyị hụrụ gị n'anya. That's how we say we love you. Daalụ nnọọ, Shukdev. Chukwu gọzie gị. Okay. Shukdev said, I am Madam, not Mr. You see the importance of communicating with us so that we'll be able to know you properly and identify with you. So Shukdev is a woman, Madam, and Madam, not a man. Thank you. No. I want to believe you are either married to Igbo, or you are a friend of Igbo, you are a fiancé to Igbo, you are born by Igbo parent. Let's know, who are you? You love Igbo, you are a lover of Igbo, a business partner. Why do you want to learn Igbo? Want to know you better, madam. Don't be annoyed. We just need to know. I know everybody in my class, so I always want to know you more. Okay. So, no, one day. Okay, that's good. That's great. So, madam, shook there. We are waiting for responses to my questions so that we can know you better and communicate with you in the right way. We have Igbo wives here. We have Igbo husbands. We have Igbo children born of Igbo parents who want to learn their native language. We have Igbo business partners. We have Igbo lovers who don't have any connection with Igbo at all, but they just love Igbo people, love Igbo language, they just want to learn it. We have them here too. So whichever category you fall, you are welcome, and this place is for all of us. So we move on. While we are waiting for response from madam from Malaysia, say, I was scammed very badly by an Igbo. Wow, that's a bad news. You see how some people give us bad name because of money, and they want to make money in a fast way, and they scam people. That's too bad. But for us here, by the grace of God, we render service here. We deal with genuine people. If you are here, you can be sure you're dealing with the right Igbo set of people who want to serve people, who want to help people, who want to, encourage people, who want to pray for people. By the grace of God, I am a man of God, I'm a servant of God. We don't do anything bad to people. It's only a few bad elements that give us bad name because of money. Money is not everything. Of course, we want to pursue money, want to get money, but money cannot be pursued at the expense of human life, expense of people's joy, expense of people's happiness and progress. You don't take what you don't work for. That is a cost. You're taking a cost upon yourself. God will never be happy with you if you take what does not belong to you. So be sure that Igbos are not scammers, but few elements who are pursuing money at all costs are the one giving some of us bad names. So we're very sorry for that. And then God will surely, console you and comfort you, and you will recover all in the name of Jesus. We believe so. So, and whoever is into scam, please repent. If you don't, the wrath of God will come upon you. You're giving us a bad name out there. God is going to punish you in a special way, except you repent. So we call on you to change your ways, because we are hardworking people who earn money genuinely. We're not scammers. So we move on. And then the next word we're talking about here is abali, which means what? What is the meaning of abali? What is the meaning of abali? Okay, and we that she is saying the truth. Okay, I don't really want to know whether she's saying the truth or not. He took everything from me, and my son took his life because I would not send him to school. Very sorry, madam. Very sorry. Some people are saying, how are we sure what you're saying is true or not? I'm not interested in investigating. I'm not a police officer. Mine is to clarify that aspect. Mine is to clear that we are sorry for that if it happened. And mine is to encourage this woman to know that all Igbos are not like that. We have bad people in every tribe, in every nation, in every language. Even the Europeans, they scam our forefathers. So we have scammers everywhere. Bad people are bound. But you need to identify the good people and deal with them. And you will be glad you did. So we are one of the good people. I am one by the grace of God. And if you deal with me, you can be sure you can never be scammed. In fact, we prefer to give than to take from people. Okay, sorry, Ben. Okay, now we move on. So now the one we're dealing with is abali, which is night. Some people have said that already, night, and that is correct. Now let's go with the sentence. I've said so much about that aspect. I leave it now. Now the sentence is, the night is fast approaching. The night is fast approaching. The night is fast approaching. I'm going to move fast now. I haven't taken a lot of time with this issue. The night is fast approaching. What is the sentence? The night is fast approaching. Let's have the sentence now. The night is fast approaching. The night is fast approaching. Ben had dropped his own. Yeah, where are the rest? The night is fast approaching. Drop your sentence. Abalị na-abịa ọsịsọ. Abalị abịa ọsịsọ. Chikezie, abalị na-abịa ngwa ngwa. Okay, that's great. That's great. Yeah, that's great. Anybody still trying something out there? Maọbụ chi ejiela. Okay, okay, that's a good trial. But let's look at those of you who have written. I don't know if anybody is still trying to type or bring in his own response, but let's deal with those who have responded immediately because of our time. Now, Ben said, Abalị abịa ọsịsọ. No, I said the night is fast approaching, is fast approaching. So he has not come already. So Ben is not Abalị abịa ọsịsọ. Then Igbo said, Abalị a na-abịa ọsịsọ. You don't need to add a after Abalị. You simply say Abalị na-abịa ọsịsọ. Okay, I didn't say this night is approaching, not Abalị. If I say this night, it becomes Abalị. But I just said Abalị, night. Okay, let's see Chikezie. Abalị na-abịa ngwa ngwa. Okay, let me explain that. Ngwa ngwa and ọsịsọ is the same thing in Igbo language. If you use ngwa ngwa, you are right. If you use ọsịsọ, you are also right. So taking it from there, we say abalị na-abịa ngwa ngwa or abalị na-abịa ọsịsọ. Both are correct. Abalị na-abịa ọsịsọ. Yeah, Igbo, you corrected yourself. So those are perfectly correct. Okay, ngwa ngwa or ọsịsọ, both are correct. Ben said, maọbụ chi ejiela. No, chi ejiela is night has come already. But we're saying it's fast approaching. So you better say chi na-eji or chi na-chi ji ọsịsọ or chi na-eji. Oh, not chi ejiela. Chi ejiela is something that's already happened before when you are talking. That means night has come already. Talking to Ben now. Now we move to the next word, and the next word is bulite. Bulite. Let's drop the word because I'm going to move fast now. Bulite. Let's drop the word bulite. 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 Drop the word. Drop the word. Bulite. Yes. Okay, Igbo had done that. Chikezie had done that. Where's Ben? The word is bulite. Bulite. Drop the word. Bulite. Bulite. Ben, where are you? I've not seen your word. Bulite. And Shukdev, where are you? Just try to do something. I know you are listening, but you can contribute also. Bulite, Ben. And those who are joining us now, listening, the word we are dealing with now is bulite. Okay, Neka Ichok. Okay, Neka, you are here now. You see the importance of responding and contributing, so you can pick your name. Neka, no. We ask you to greet us when you join. You refuse to greet us. All the same. By your contribution, we know you are here. Neka, Ichok, no. Dalo. So bulite is correct. Those of you who are also joining, please drop your comments, answer our questions, so we know you are here. Okay, bulite is correct. That is the word. So what is the meaning of bulite? What is the meaning of the word bulite? Drop the meaning. Drop the English meaning of the word bulite. Yes. Pick up. Okay. Ben Bendo. Internet drop. Annoying question. Okay, Ben, sorry. I said we move to the word bulite, and we have dropped the word bulite, and we're now dealing with the meaning of the word bulite. Ben, I want to brush you up. So, and then suke. Okay. Sukde, bulite, that's great. Chikezie, we're now dealing with the meaning of the word bulite. Shukdev, you are correct. That's bulite. Now the meaning of the word bulite is what? Okay. No, this is not wulite. I said bulite, not wulite. Bulite. Okay. Chikezie said is lift up. Igbo said is pick up. Now let me explain the difference between the two. This word is associated with lifting something that is heavy. So it can't be pick up because you pick up something very light. But if it is, this word is associated with heavy something. So it's lift up. That is the correct word. I am preparing Omakam for basketball and just logged on for just time to catch the chat, but I listen often. Okay, that's all right, Neka. Accepted. Okay, so Now, that I'm explaining the difference between pick up and lift up. So because this word is associated with heavy something, the right word meaning is lift up because you are dealing with heavy load. So it's not pick up. Okay? Now that's fine. We now move to sentence with this word. And the sentence we are dealing with is lift up that bag from the ground. Lift up that bag from the ground. Write that in Igbo language. Lift up that bag from the ground. Now, shoot it now, the chat session. Lift up that bag from the ground. Right. Si ala bulite akpa. Ben has written that, waiting for others. Lift up that bag from the ground. I'm waiting for others to do that. Ben has dropped. Chikezie, si n'ala bulite akpa. Okay, still expecting Igbo. Bulite akpa site n'ala. Great. I love the challenge for everybody. That's great trial. Okay, let's evaluate what we have written. Si ala bulite akpa. I would have accepted Chikezie, si n'ala bulite akpa. Okay, that's better. That's what I wanted to correct. I wanted to say Ben. You didn't say siala. It's not siala. It's sinala. That's what Chikezie has corrected. Sinala, not siala. Sinala bulite akpa. If Ben has written that, that will be very perfect. And the comma you put in front is not necessary. Okay, talking to Ben now. Ibo bulite akpa site n'ala. Okay, if you have written bulite akpa ahụ site n'ala, that would have been accepted also. Bulite akpa ahụ, that bag. But you wrote bulite akpa site n'ala. Okay, akpa is this bag. Different between that bag and this bag. That bag is akpa ahụ. This bag is akpa. You can see the little difference there. Talking to Mrs. Adubije. Okay, Ndeka Ichok, bulite akpa ahụ n'ala. That's fine, very simple. Bulite akpa ahụ n'ala. Lift up that bag from the ground. Simple, very perfect. Kamshare, kia ha la jani. Okay, I don't know the language you're speaking. Please kamshare. This is the Igbo language live session. So if you are here, kamshare, you must be ready to learn Igbo language. Otherwise, your being here might not actually be very okay if you don't want to learn Igbo language. So if you're here, you either type in English or in Igbo so that I can hear what you're saying and welcome you specially. Dr. Abdullahi Ndewo for coming to class. No, Dr. Abdullahi. So please, let's do this together. Okay. It's Punjabi, bro. Okay, I don't know what you mean by Punjabi. So in any case, we'll move on now. So you listen, Shell, you listen. If you don't know how to write English or Igbo, you can as well listen to us. This is Let's Talk Igbo Language live. That's where you are. So you listen up and learn with us. So we go to the next word, and the next word is banye. Banye. What is the meaning of, what is the word? Type the word first. That's how we do it. We type the word first. We deal with the meaning, okay? And then we move on to making sentence with the word. The word now is banye, okay? Kashel is Pakistani. Okay, it's good you're a Pakistani. Please, we're learning Igbo language here. It's not Pakistani language. So you listen to us so that you can also join us to learn Igbo language. Mr. Khan, you can also learn Igbo language. We already have somebody from Malaysia learning with us, so you can also learn. So you just listen and follow us, Mr. Kanshel. Okay, Banye, okay. Somebody has written the word and written the meaning also. The word is Banye, okay. And somebody said, Ben said is enter. I agree with you. Ibo, did you agree with him that Banye is enter? If you do, indicate that that is the meaning also, except you have a contrary opinion. Otherwise, we take banye to mean enter. Dr. Bly, I hope you are here. Banye means enter, and that is correct. We want to make a sentence with banye now. And the sentence is, okay, but you will say yes, so you agree. The sentence is, let's enter into the class. Let's enter, or let's enter the classroom. Let's enter the classroom. What is the word in Igbo language? Let's enter the classroom. Let us enter the classroom. Let us enter the classroom. Now write it in Igbo language. Okay? Minister Israel, you're welcome to Igbo live class. Here we learn Igbo language, we drill ourselves, we learn new words, new sentences, and challenge our Igbo learning ability and our progress in learning Igbo language. So Minister Israel, if you are here to learn Igbo language, you are welcome. No, that's how we say welcome in Igbo language, Minister Israel. Okay? And the sentence we're dealing with now is, let's enter into the class. Kanyi banye classroom. Okay? That's better. Igbo. Kanyi banye ulo class. Great effort. Chikezie. Kanyi banye ime ulo akwụkwọ. I prefer that. Class is where we learn. We learn. And we use ulo akwụkwọ for either school or class. Okay? Because we can also say in ime class. Okay? I know nothing on Igbo language, but I will learn gradually. That's why we are here. You will learn gradually. Once you are here, you will learn gradually. So, Minister Israel, you are welcome. And then, Kanyi Banye Ulo Akwụkwọ, that's Dr. Blahi, that's fine, that's great effort. Please hit the like button for this live session. Share it, hit the share button so they can go out to other people to learn with us. And then for the sake of those, before we do the final correction, for the sake of those who are new to our class, like Minister Israel and the Madam from Pakistan and the rest of us who are joining for the first time and are interested in learning Igbo language, you are highly welcome. No, but we also encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our homepage where we have a lot of Igbo language lesson videos, from alphabet to numbers to two-letter words to all the basic things you need to know in Igbo language. That will go a long way to prepare you for this live session against next Saturday, because we'll meet every Saturday 2 p.m. Nigerian time. So you do that. That is the first thing you have to do. The second thing you have to do is that after this live session, this video will be uploaded. The previous ones will also be uploaded into our home page under the live session in the home page. You will see this video there. Please click the description box of this video, open it up, and go through. Down below, you will see a link to our bookshop, wherein we have so many ebooks on Igbo language. You need to buy as many of them as you can. Just go through them and see the ones you are interested in, from alphabet to numbers to two-letter words to everything, daily phrases and sentences. You see them there. Buy as many as you can. We have about 9 books there. The interesting thing about our ebooks, I'm also talking to the old students who have not bought the books, is that the book goes with both text and audio. When you buy the book, you are buying both Igbo ebook and you're buying audio book together. And when you buy and open the book, you can download the audio and have it permanently in your phone or computer, where you can always listen to it again while you go through your book. So you don't worry about being able to read the book. We read it for you while you're listening. So you buy the book, you download the audio for Kids for Life. So you have permanent access to both the book, the text, and the audio, which you can listen to over and over again. When you do that, that will prepare you and lay the foundation for you to be able to move fast and meet up those of us who are already making sentences in Igbo. So those new students today, avail yourself of this opportunity. Go to our homepage, open all our live sessions, go through the description box. You see the link to our ebook shop. Click the link. It will take you to our bookshop. Select the books you want and click buy, pay up, and download them into your phone or computers. And open the audio, download the audio, becomes yours permanently for life. These books are sold for peanuts. So do that today, and you'll be glad you did. We move on now, and we're going to review all the sentences written. Ka anyị banye n'ụlọ? That's great. Nneka Ichioku. Ka anyị banye n'ụlọ akwụkwọ? Ụlọ akwụkwọ a. Okay, I like that. That's very simple. Chikezie, ka anyị banye n'ime ụlọ akwụkwọ? Great. That's fine. Okay, then I want to see what Igbo wrote. Ka anyị banye n'ụlọ class? Okay. We can also say, ka anyị banye n'ime class? That's also correct. Igbo. Ka anyị banye n'ime class? That's correct. Ka anyị banye, not ụlọ class. We don't use the two together. Okay, you can simply say, ka anyị banye na class? It's correct. I'm talking to Igbo now. Chikezie, okay, I've done your own. Minister, Israel, you can hear what I say. Ablahi, ka anyị banye ụlọ akwụkwọ? But you put M at the back of banye. I don't know why you did that. And your banye is not very correct in the spelling. It's N-Y, not Y-E-R. It's B-A-N-Y-E. I'm talking to Dr. Ablahi. Banye, that's simple. The next word we're dealing with now is chefwe. Chefwe, can you drop the meaning of chefwe? Oh, not the meaning this time, but the word itself. Chefwe, drop the word. Chefwe, drop the word. Chefwe, can you do that now? Chefwe, drop the word. Type it out in the comment, in the chat. Chefwe, great. Chikezie, you have shot it. Ibo, you have shot it. Great. Where are the rest? Chefwe, drop it. Chefwe, drop it in the chat. Chefwe, yes. Ben, where are you? Ichok, where are you? Where is my new student? Madam from Pakistan? Just do something. Chefwe. All right. Okay. I've just seen two people's response. I hope we have not lost Ben again because his network seems to be having problem. Okay. Chefwe. Chefwe. Yeah, where are the rest? Chefwe. Okay. Ben is here. Okay, Chefwe. That's great. I'm waiting for Icho. Elizabeth. Chefwe. Okay. I'm waiting for Elizabeth to drop her own word. Okay. Now let's drop the meaning of the word chefwe. Let's drop the meaning of the word chefwe. Dr. Blai, I hope you are still here. What is the meaning of the word chefwe? What is the meaning of the word? Igbo has shot that already. Forget. Great. Some of us have not hit the like button for this live session. Some of us have not done that. We have about 10 people in class, but I only have 3 likes. I don't know why some of us have not done that. Hit the like button under the video. Under the video, hit the like button, and also hit share to share it out to your own audience so that we can have a wider coverage. Okay, these 2 things you need to do for us. Okay, Chefwe, Neka. Okay, Neka, you are here, Chefwe. Now we are dealing with the meaning of the word Chefwe, Neka, Ichok. And some have already dropped the meaning. Have you dropped your own already? Yeah. Some say it's forget. I don't know if you agree with them, Neka. Is that true? Do you agree with them? If so, indicate that you agree with them. The word chefwe is forget. If you agree, just do that. Say, I agree, I concur. Okay? Now let's take the sentence. The sentence is, forget what he has done to you. Forget what he has done to you. That is the sentence. Forget what he has done to you. Drop the sentence. Forget what he has done to you. Drop the sentence. Drop the sentence. Forget what he has done to you. Igbo has done that already. Chefwe ihe imeregi. Okay, let's wait. Let's wait for others and see who is correct, who is going to get it perfectly well. Chefwe ihe omeregi. Igbo has answered. Where are the rest? Chefwe ihe omeregi. While we are waiting for the responses from others. Okay, Neka said, I agree. Chefwe is forget. You agree, that's fine. Now we are dealing with sentence already, Neka. Forget what he has done to you. That is the sentence. Igbo has done that. Okay. Okay. Chefu and chefue is also correct. If you use chefu, it's okay. No problem there. Okay. Just drop your sentence now, Ben. Okay. Chefue ihe o mere gị. Okay. Okay. Igbo seems to be correcting herself again. Chefue ihe o mere gị. Okay. I agree with the correction. Okay, Neka. Chefue ihe o mere gị. Great. Great responses. Where is Mark? Where is my friend Chikezie McDonald? Has he written? Okay, he has written. Okay. Chefue ihe o merela gị. Wow. Okay. Chefue ihe o mere gị. Ihe i mere gị. Okay. McDonald, this your o merela gị. That language is not really a Central Igbo. Ihe o mere gị is perfect. Ihe o mere gị, not ihe o merela gị. That is not a Central Igbo language. Okay, it's driving towards deep Imo dialect, the local dialect. It's not the central one. Okay, so it's Iho Meregi is fine. Chefue Iho Meregi, yeah, that's fine. Neka, you are right. Igbo corrected. You are saying, but even Igbo, your correction, you put O with dot under. It's not O Meregi, it's O Meregi. So the O has no dot under. Talking to Igbo now. Please correct that. Now, Tidrili, no. Chefue Gini Omeregi. Okay. Okay, Tidrili, what do you say? Chefue Gini Omeyegi. No. I say Chefue Ihe Omeregi is correct. Chefue Ihe Omeregi. Tidrili, you're welcome to class. For long, you have not been to live session. Today, you remember us again. Tidrili. No. You're welcome back. Okay. So, yeah, Igbo, that's the correction. Okay. Gaming with Reese, no, you're welcome. Gaming. This is the Igbo tutor live. Here we learn Igbo language. So if you are here, it means you want to learn Igbo language with us, talking to gaming. Okay? It means, okay, if you are here, you want to learn Igbo language. Otherwise, you're in the wrong place. So be ready to learn Igbo language if you are here. Gaming with Reese. So we don't play a game here, we learn Igbo language. So you're welcome. No, that's how we welcome people in Igbo language. So we move on. Please, if you have not hit the like button, you have not done well. If you have not shared this live session, you have not done well. I want you to do that as we move on. Okay? Chefue Homeregi is correct. Okay? Chefue Homeregi is correct. That is the perfect word here. We go to the next word. The next word is Chetaya. 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 Write the word now. Write the word now. Chetaya. Okay? Waiting for you to write it. Chetaya. Write it now. Chetaya. Drop it. Okay? Igbo has written. Igbo is really serious with dragging this class captainship. She's not giving up at all. Okay? Chetaya. That's great. Yes, waiting for others to drop it, drop it, drop it, drop the word Chetaya. Drop the word Chetaya. Waiting for you. Drop the word Chetaya. Okay, Tidrili Chetaya. Okay, that's great. Where are the rest? It appears network is not friendly to many of us. Okay, many of us are going off and on. It appears network is not friendly today. But we keep pushing. Okay, Neka, Chetaya, that's great. That's fine. Where is my friend McDonald? Where Chikezie? Ben, Chetaya, that's great. Chikezie, where are you? Chikezie Bossa, please, does forget what he did to you and forget what he has done to you have same meaning in Igbo? Of course, they are both past tense. Forget what he did to you is a past tense. Forget what he has done to you is past tense also. So there is no other special thing to say about that. What he did to you, what he has done to you, both are past tense. There are different ways of expressing the same word. I don't think there's any difference there. What he has done to you and what he did to you, both are past tense. And they have the same meaning in Igbo language. We are not having any special grammar for that in Igbo language. Okay? So, network Dema, okay. So I've just responded to Chikezie and that particular question. Okay. Igbo, we are not, don't just follow Igbo word for word with English and try to copy them the way it is exactly, but we just have a broad meaning for that, and that suffice. So, past simple versus past perfect, okay. Also learn to put the la and le, okay, okay. So we are moving on to Chetaya. That's the word we are dealing with now, Chetaya. And what is Chetaya? What is Chetaya? Chetaya. Okay. Okay. What is Chetaya in Igbo language? Okay. Okay, Madonna Chetaya, you have done that. What is the meaning of that? Let's deal with the meaning now. Remember it. Igbo has written. Remember it. Chikezie have written. Okay. Remember it. Remember it. Great. Where are the rest? What is the meaning of Chetaya? Don't wait for others. Do your own. Drop your own. Don't listen and look for what others are going to write. Just challenge yourself. Be the first to drop the answer. Remember him or remember her or remember it. That's great. Neka, remember him, it, remember him, remember her. Great. We are following. Chetaya, you are all correct. Remember it, remember him, remember her. Okay. Okay. Now we go to the sentence. The sentence is, remember him or her in your prayers. Remember him or her in your prayers. Okay? Waiting. The clock is ticking now. Remember him or her in your prayers. Tick, tock, tick, tock. Okay? Barbara, you just came in now. Thank you for coming in out of your busy schedule. But Barbara, no. Okay, now we're moving. Remember, the word we're looking at is remember him in your prayers. That is the word we're dealing with, the sentence we're dealing with. Chikeze has written, Chetaya n'ekpere gị. Okay, I'm waiting for others. Ben, Chetaya n'ekpere gị. Okay, Neka, Chetaya n'ime ekpere gị. Great. Where is Igbo? Where is my Igbo? I've not seen your response. Remember him in your prayer. Okay, Igbo is here. Chetaya n'ekpere gị. Great. Tidrili, cheta ha n'ime ekpere gị, n'ime ekpere dị ala. N'ime ekpere dị ala. I don't know. Really, you are taking me further. I don't get it. I say remember him or her, not remember them. If I say remember them, it means cheta ha. Okay? But if I say remember him or her or it, it's just chetaya. Okay? So ha is plural, many. But chetaya is it, him, her. Okay? Talking to Tidrili now. N'ime ekpere dị ala. There's nothing like n'ime ekpere dị ala. I say in your prayers. N'ekpere gị. N'ekpere gị. That's simple. Your prayer is ekpere gị. Right? So Tidrili, that is simple. So chetaya n'ekpere gị is very fine. Okay, n'ime ekpere gị is also okay, but not really necessary. It's not inside your prayer, it's just in your prayer. N'ekpere gị is simple. Talking to Ichok now, Neka. Okay, YT, you are welcome to our class. YT, no, you are welcome to our class. Please, YT, this is a place where we learn Igbo language. You are highly welcome. So join us and flow together with us as we learn how to speak and write Igbo language. We are happy to see you in our class today. Are you teaching Central Standard Igbo dialect? Of course, that's what we're doing here is Central Standard Igbo language. That's what we teach in our channel. So you follow us. And if there's any way we are going away from the standard, you can always correct us and draw us back. But that's where we are. That's what we want to teach in our channel. So white no. Okay? No. Now we are talking about white Igbo language, not dialect. Okay? Okay. Okay. Thank you for that correction. We are not teaching Igbo dialect. We are teaching Igbo language. Dialect is related to the little parts of Igbo language. Each state, each local government have their own dialect here and there. But we teach Igbo language, Central Igbo language, not dialect. Thank you for that correction. Mary Ballard, I'm trying so hard. Thanks so much. Okay, try harder. That is what is necessary and needed. Try. Don't give up. Push until you learn. And for those of you who are trying hard to learn Igbo language and who are coming up for the first time, we have a good news for you. We have prepared about 9 ebooks on Igbo language, which will help you to, fast track your learning of Igbo language, give you the rudiments, and those books are to be with you permanently. They also come with audio that you can listen to over and over as you learn. So those books, will read them for you while you're listening. That is the beautiful part of it. And the audio and the text are for keeps for life. You have a permanent access to them. How do you get the books? You get the books by going to the description box of this live session. When we close this live session, it will be uploaded. So you go to it in our homepage, and of course, you have to subscribe to our channel so you can access our homepage. So subscribe to our YouTube channel, go to the homepage, look for the live session, hit the live, and then you'll see all our live videos of past sessions. Hit on the live session of today, open the description box, and go down there. You will see a link to our ebook bookshop. And then you hit the link to our bookshop. It will take you straight to our bookshop, where you can go through all the 9 books we have there and pick the ones that you can start with. Alphabet, numbers, 2-letter words, daily phrases, whatever you want. You hit them and hit buy, and then fill up the form and pay and download them. They are for permanent keeps in your computer and phone. And then when you open the books, you will see a link to download the audio inside the book. You hit the link, the green bar on top, below the title page. Download the audio for keep. And those audio, you can listen to them over and over because you are already having them in your computer or phone. And you have the text, you have the audio for price of 1. Audio book, ebook for price of 1. Buy them today. Listen to them while you are driving, while you are cooking, while you are washing clothes and doing laundry, so that you can understand how the words of Igbo sound, the alphabet sound, the words sound, and then you brush up and come back next Saturday, and you can be sure you can flow with us next Saturday when we come up again for live session. By 2 p.m. Nigeria time, we are always here every Saturday. So that's for Benji and Mark Bellard and all our newcomers today. I just address all of you. Do that today after this live session. Don't miss it. This live session has the link to our ebook shop. Buy the books today, as many as you can buy. Don't miss it today. Buy before the prices will change. We go to the next word, and the next word is debaaha. 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 Write the word in the chat session. Debaaha. Debaaha. Write the word. Write it. Debaaha. Okay. Sopriscribe na izute ndị akwụkwọ. So I didn't understand what it really is saying. I didn't get your charts. I didn't get the meaning of what you wanted to write. Please help me out with that. It's not clear. So please, let's go on. Faith Barbara, Igbo is made up different clan, tribe. We speak various dialects, but one central standard Igbo language. Of course, that's what we do here. We try to speak the central Igbo language here. Okay, now we are moving on, and then what we're dealing with now is debaaha. Okay, drop the word. Somebody has done that already. Drop the word debaaha. Debaaha. Okay, Igbo has done that. I didn't say debeaha. I said debaaha. Okay, maybe I didn't pronounce it correctly. Debaaha. Okay, Chikezie, you're right. That's the word. Debaaha. I didn't say debeaha. I said debaaha. Okay, so those who have written something wrong, please correct yourself. I said debaaha. That is the word. So you write it in the chat session while we deal with the meaning, and we'll make sentence with that. Okay. Yes, Ben, you have done the correction. Igbo, please correct yourself while we move on. Deba, that's right. That's great. Yeah. Now we move on to the meaning of the word. Those of you who are joining for the first time, please listen and follow through. Those who can write, please do. Those who can contribute, do, so that others can learn from you. pay attention to me and the chat session. These are the two areas you can learn from today. Me, my voice, and the chat session. These are two areas. Okay? This to debaha means to subscribe, to register. Okay? Debaha. We're now dealing with the meaning of debaha. Igbo has dropped her own meaning of debaha. She said it means to subscribe, to register. How about the rest? Do you agree with her? Mark, McDonald, where are the rest? Write your meaning of debaha. Let's see what you've come up with. Debaha, waiting for others. Debaha, yes. Debaha, write your own meaning of debaha. Fast, 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 fast. Time is ticking. Tick, tock. Tick, tock. Tick, tock. Where is the meaning of debaha? What is your meaning? Igbo meaning for the word, the English meaning for the word debaha. Is an Igbo name, Igbo word? We are looking for the English meaning. Debaha. Somebody has said it means to subscribe or to register. Did you agree with her? Faith Barbara said to write name. Great. Yeah. What about the rest? What are you saying? Do you agree with them to subscribe, to register, to write name? Chikezie said to subscribe, register, write down name. Tidri said write names. You are all correct. Whichever one you take is correct. Register, subscribe, write down your name. All are correct. Write names in the book, all are correct. Now, let's have the sentence. The sentence is, subscribe to my YouTube channel. The problem is they're going to have is, what is channel? What is YouTube? Some English words are borrowed. Let me give you a guide. We have what we call code switching and code mixing. Some words that are not known to your language before, they will not have a name for it. Any new invention might not have a name for the language. But so you borrow some words that are not existing. Languages evolve and they take up new words, new vocabulary every day. Whatever comes up new that is not known, the language will adopt it. Okay, so that's code mixing, code switching, borrowing of vocabulary from languages. Adaptation is done everywhere. So go on and do something out of this. Igbo said, Deba and a YouTube channel. That's a fair trial. Okay. That's a fair trial. I'm waiting for others. Let's challenge ourselves. If you don't know the Igbo name, create one. Create one name for the YouTube channel. Okay, Deaha, and Debaha, I have heard of. Okay, as in Debaha, not Debeaha. What we have said is Debaha, right? Name in, register, subscribe. Okay, you tried Igbo. Let me wait for others and see what they come up with. Chikezie wrote, Debaha na kara YouTube. Okay. I'm waiting for others. Faith wrote, Deba ya na YouTube channel. That's great. A good effort. Good effort. That's great effort. Where is Neka? Where is Neka? Okay, Ben wrote Deba and okay, Ben is still asking question. He has not answered my whole question. Okay, and I didn't get the question very well. Deba and the I have heard of is Deba Aha. That's what we say, Deba Aha. Did really Deba Aha na Nkea YouTube channel. Okay, good effort. Everybody is trying. Okay, Neka, where are you? Have you run away? You have not written anything. You have taken your children to go and play basketball and leave, and you left yours here. Okay, Whitey, are there any good Igbo language movie here on YouTube? If so, please list one. Before we talk about Igbo movie, you have to learn Igbo language, because if you don't learn the language, you will not be able to understand the movie. Okay? So please, do us a favor. Learn with us first, while we talk about movie after. Okay? I'm showing on my YouTube channel, my effort is learning Igbo. Okay? Okay, I'm showing on my YouTube channel my effort in learning Igbo. Of course, that's it now. Go and let's learn Igbo first, then we'll talk about YouTube channels. okay, and the Igbo music and videos, okay? Deba and a YouTube channel, Bembe, that's what you wrote. Okay, now we can adopt any one we want. You can say Akara YouTube nkem. Okay, deba aha na akara YouTube nkem. Deba aha na igwe nzisa ozi YouTube. You know, YouTube is also used to broadcast and then send messages and whatever. Okay, so na igwe nzisa ozi is also correct. Onyonyo YouTube, okay, is also correct. YouTube is also like a video, like a television, okay. So whether you call it channel or akara YouTube or YouTube channel. But if you want to use English word in Igbo, you Igbonize it. This is one thing we must always remember. You Igbonize it. How do we Igbonize English word? You spell it in Igbo. You don't write it in English. For example, if you want to write YouTube in Igbo, how do you write it? You don't just write YouTube the way it is spelled in English. You write it in Igbo. YouTube is spelled as Y-U okay. You write YouTube is Y-U-T-B-U. YouTube, Y-U-T-U-B-U, YouTube. You have to spell it in Igbo. That's it now. You don't just write YouTube in English and say we should accept it. It's not Igbo. You Igbonize it. Okay? So that's great. I'm lazy. I'm a lazy. My lazy Igbo wife. Okay. My lazy Igbo wife. What do you mean? What do you mean by lazy Igbo wife? Okay. Now she has already challenged you. Now she has written YouTube in Igbo. You can see. Chikeze has done that. YouTube. That's it. Then Igbo has done that. YouTube. That's how it should be. You Igbonize it. You Igbonize anything you want to use. Even in channel, you can Igbonize channel. Okay? Channel. What is channel in Igbo? Write it in Igbo. Channel. Now I challenge you. Write channel in Igbo. Write channel. Spell channel in Igbo. Channel. Channel. Oh yeah, let's go. Spell it in Igbo. Channel. I'm waiting for you. Chike is the class captain. Do that. Okay. YouTube. Miss Barbara. Barbara, you are laughing at us. That is true. We can Igbonize anything. We can borrow anything and Igbonize it. Okay. I am having channel now. Channel. Okay. Chikezie is better. It's better that way. Okay. Channel. That is it. That is the Igbo name for channel. You don't just write it in English and say we should take it like that. Okay. Mana isi anyị ga borrow words. We can borrow words. Igbo, every language is full of languages borrowed. French borrow, English borrow, everybody borrow language. Whatever is not existing in your language before you borrow it and convert it to your language. Okay? YouTube channel. Okay? That's fine. We've done that very well. Okay, we move on. The next word is dapple. I love the way we are flowing. The next word is dapple. Now give me the word. Dapple. Dapple. Give me the word. Dapple. What is the word? Dapple. Dapple. Give me the word. Okay, Chikezie, you are here. Ibo, you are here. That's great. Where are the rest? Neka, where are you? Ben. Where are you? Barbara. Where are you? Dapple. Give me the word. Give me the word. Dapple. Dapple. Give me the word. Those of us who are joining for the first time, those who are still far from the level we are, that we are told to buy our ebook to start with and subscribe to our YouTube channel, please don't forget to do that. If you are going to do that after this live session, please indicate that you will do that in the chat session. Let me hear you saying, I will buy, I will buy, I will do that, I will subscribe, or I've already subscribed. Please, I want to hear your response. Okay, I'm talking to our new students today who are struggling with the Igbo, who are starting anew, who are just beginning today. Can I hear you say, I will buy the book, or I will subscribe to the channel, or I have subscribed? That is important to us. We need to do that to help you. We did that to help you because of you. Literally, I didn't say Japo, I said Dapo, D, Dapo. And others have gotten that. Okay, what is the meaning of the word dapo? What is the meaning of the word dapo? Okay, channel. Okay, Dr. Abdullahi, that's correct. That's channel for us. Okay, dapo, fall down. That's what Igbo wrote. I'm waiting for others. The meaning, fall off. Great. That's Mark Chikezie. Chikezie, I'm still giving you the class captain today. You are proving that over and over. So you are still having the class captain today, Chikezie. Igbo was not able to dethrone you today. Okay, dapo. Okay, Tidri, that's okay. That's dapo for you, but you must have dot under to make it dapo. Otherwise, it becomes dapu. Okay, so we're talking about the meaning of dapu now. Some people have dropped the meaning. What are other people waiting for? We have 15 minutes to go in today's class. So let's move fast. Dapu, I take the class captain's word for dapu as the correct one, which is fall off or fall away. That is dapu, not fall down. Is fall off or fall away. That's dapu. Okay? It's not daku, it's dapu, P, dapu. Talking to Dr. Abdullahi, dapu. D-A-P-U with dot under you. That's the word. So, the sentence now. Ekwela ka mkpụrụ osisi dapụ na nkata. Let me not take it too long. It will confuse us. Ekwela ka ọ dapụ na nkata. Ekwela ka ọ dapụ na nkata. Oh my God. I'm speaking Igbo instead of giving you in English. I've mixed it up. Nevertheless, I leave it. Let me see those who can get the spelling. Ekwela ka ọ dapụ na nkata. Okay. Igbo. Ekwela ka mkpụrụ osisi dapụ na nkata. Great. Okay. Chikezie. Ekwela ka mkpụrụ osisi dapụ na nkata. Great. What are the other people doing? Now, let me wait for others to do that. While we are waiting for others to write their own, because I said it in English, you are going to write the meaning in Igbo. Okay? Okay, write the meaning. I said it in Igbo. Ekwela ka mkpụrụ osisi dapụ na nkata. Say the meaning in English. Say the reverse. Write the reverse in English. Ekwela ka mkpụrụ osisi dapụ na nkata. What is the meaning in English? That is how to know whether we understand what we are doing or not. We are challenging ourselves now. Class captain, over to you. Class captain challenger, Igbo, over to you. What is the meaning of this word in English? Ekwela ka mkpụrụ osisi dapụ na nkata. There is a contest now between the two competitors. Don't let the fruit fall off. Good effort. Waiting for McDonald. Ekwela, don't allow the fruit to fall off the basket. That is a full word. Okay, fall into the basket. Igbo, you are trying. I know you are trying. You are making great effort. I appreciate you. Okay. Ekwela ka mkpụrụ osisi dapụ na nkata. Dapụ nkata. Don't drop the apple. Okay. You tried. But you almost got it, but you didn't complete the sentence. And Chikezie has completed the sentence. You didn't include dapo na nkata, the basket, fall off the basket. Oh yeah, I know you won't give up. I know you are challenging. I know you are not giving up so soon, and I love that spirit. Don't give up. Dethrone Chikezie by all means. Okay? Don't give up. I love that spirit. So let's move on to the next. The next word is ekeresimesi. 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 Let me have the word. Ekeresimesi. Ekeresimesi. Igbo has written Ekeresimesi. Great. Ekeresimesi. Chikezie has written great. Where are the rest now? Where is Ben? Ben, you are busy writing some other things. You are not writing what we're asking you to write. Did really? You are writing something else. You are not following what we are doing. I say write Ekeresimesi. You are writing la basket. Are you speaking French here or Igbo? Did really? Are you for French or for Igbo? Now write ekeresimesi. That's where we are. Did really do that. Ben, do that. Ekeresimesi. Write that now. Ekeresimesi. Good. Where is Ben? Where is Abdullahi? Where is Barbara? Write ekeresimesi. Yeah. Where are you? Where is Neka? She has gone to play basketball. Write ekeresimesi. Right? Okay. Now, what is the meaning of ekeresimesi? Now write it. Write the meaning, English meaning of ekeresimesi. Drop it. Christmas. Igbo, our wife, I know you have gone to do Christmas many times in Igbo land, so you already know this very well. It's Christmas. Now, you understand that this is what I was talking about before. You borrow what you don't have, you convert it to your own language. We don't have Christmas. It's alien to us. It's a foreign language. So we have to convert it to our own language by writing it and spelling it in our own language. We Ibonize it. It becomes ekeresimesi. It's simple. Code switching, code missing, code borrowing, anything. Language must be spoken. Okay? Ekwela ka mkpụrụ osisi dapụ na nkata. Okay, Ben, I think you are having network issue. You are hearing me later. That's correct. But we're past that already. We're dealing with ekeresimesi. And people have written the word. They have written the meaning of the word, which is Christmas. Now, the sentence now. Kanila obodo maka. Oh my God, I'm speaking Igbo again. The word is, let's go home for Christmas. Let's go home for Christmas. Okay, Ben saying he's on the road. I understand. Fast forward, my brother. Okay, fast forward. I don't know what you mean. We're dealing with the word ekeresimesi. And I asked us to write it, and we've done that. And then we wrote the meaning of ekeresimesi in Igbo, which is Christmas. And we're doing the sentence now. And the sentence is, let's go home for Christmas. Write it in Igbo language. Let us go home for Christmas. Write that in Igbo language. Yes. Igbo has written, Kanila obodo na ekeresimesi. Ben wrote, Kanila maka ekeresimesi. Good effort. Chikeze wrote, Kanila na obodo maka emume ekeresimesi. Good effort. Great. But we can simply write Kanila obodo, not Kaila no obodo. Yeah. I'm talking to Chikezie. You can simply write Kanila obodo, not Kaila no obodo. It doesn't flow very well in Igbo. Kanila obodo maka emume ekeresimesi. That language, that your sentence is perfectly full with everything that is needed. Okay? But if you also write Kanila obodo maka Christmas, is also correct. So, Igbo, if you have written Kanila obodo maka, where you wrote na Christmas is not correct. It's not na Christmas, it's maka for. Maka Christmas. Kanila obodo maka Christmas for Christmas. That's perfect. Talking to Igbo now. What did Ben write? Kanila maka ekeresimesi. You forgot to put let's go home. Kanila, you say let's go for Christmas. You didn't put Kanila home. You didn't put home obodo. You missed that in your sentence, Ben. Okay, you missed obodo. You just say let's go for Christmas. You didn't put let's go home. All right. So we have done that. The next one we're dealing with is egu onwa. Egu onwa. Write the word. Egu onwa. Egu onwa. Egu onwa. Kanila obodo maka emume Christmas. That's fine. That's it. Okay, that I take the correction from Igbo. Ben has not done the correction properly. Okay, we're talking about Egu onwa now. Igbo has short that. That's great. Kevin Okonkwo no na class anyị taa. Kevin Dalu no. Ka anyị laa obodo na is not na ekeresimesi Kevin, is maka ekeresimesi for. Na is and, for is maka. That is the right word to use there, Kevin. Kevin, is it the first time you are joining our class? I'm not sure whether I've picked your name before. If that is correct, please indicate. Let's say, nke a bụ mbụ ị na-eso anyị na klaasị anyị. Ọ bụrụ eziokwu, say yes, Kevin. Let's welcome you officially, Kevin. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's the first thing to do. And then after this live session, this video will be uploaded. Check the description box of this video, and then you will see the link to our ebook bookshop. Our bookshop link is there. Hit the link to take you to our bookshop where you buy our Igbo ebooks. About 9 of them. Select the one you want. That's a way of supporting the channel, a way of advancing your learning and fast-tracking your learning. So you need to do that. Okay, Kevin say, first time. You are welcome. No, Kevin. Let's welcome Kevin to our class. Kevin, no. Okay, ndo dalo rinde tugozie Kevin. Wanna Kevin. Okay, the word we are dealing with is egwonwa. Egwonwa. Okay, egwonwa. I say we should write the word egwonwa. Only Kevin has written that egwonwa. Igbo has written egwonwa. Okay, where is our class captain? Okay, where is our class captain? Our class captain, McDonald, where are you? You have not written Egwonwa. Chikezie, or your network is having issues. Okay? Please, really, when you want to welcome somebody, it's not N-O. It's not one single O. It's double O. No. In fact, it is double N, double O. That is no. It's not no. It's not no. It is double N, double O, no. That is welcome in Igbo language. Please correct that, really, as we welcome our friend, Kevin, to our class. Okay? Other people should welcome Kevin to class, please. It's important to us. It's part of the family. Now we're talking about Egwonwa. Some have written Egwonwa. Ben, you are right. What you wrote is correct. Let me see what Kevin wrote. Egwonwa, even though you are onwa, supposed to have dot under the O, Kevin. You send me a message after the class so that we can guide you on how to, install Igbo keyboard in your phone or computer. I don't want to do that now because of our time. Egwonwa, Chikeze has written Egwonwa. Okay, that's correct. So what is the meaning of Egwonwa? What is the meaning? Egwonwa, what is the meaning? Drop the meaning in the chat. What is the meaning of Egwonwa? Okay, what is the meaning of Egwonwa? No. Okay, moon dance, whatever that means. Oh yeah, that's great. Moonlight play, that's better. Okay, Onwa is moon. Igbo, you tried at least. Egwonwa is moonlight play. Moonlight play. That's what we do in the village in those days when we don't have electricity. We use the moonlight as a source of light. And then in the evening, the moon will be shining. We all come out to the compound or village square or anything where we gather as children to play and do all the things we learn in Igbo language. We tell stories, we play around, we tell the cock and bull story, the tortoise story, and the rest of them. We do that in Egwonwa. That is dance celebration month. No, it's not celebration month. It's moonlight play. The screaming moon. No, it's moonlight play. What we do in the village in those days when men were boys will come out in the moon in the night when the moon is out to play in the night. That's moonlight play. Okay, now let's take the sentence now. And the sentence is Kaniga maka egwonwa. Kaniga maka egwonwa. Let's go for moonlight play. Kaniga maka egwonwa. Okay. Moonlight play. Kaniga maka egwonwa. Let's go. Oh, I'm giving you in Igbo. I'm supposed to give you in English. But all the same, let's do that. Kaniga maka egwonwa. Okay. Kaniga maka egwonwa. Okay. I've given you the expo already. No problem. But we're going to reverse it now. Okay. At least you got the spelling. That's fine. Kaniga maka egwonwa. Kevin. Kaniga maka egwonwa. That's great. Okay, where is Ben? Where is Barbara? Where is Neka? I'm not seeing your responses again. Okay, Kanyiga Makiguonwa. Okay, okay, Kanyiga Makiguonwa. Let's go for moonlight play. That's fine. Let's go to the next word. Next word is Felie Elu. Felie Elu. Felie Elu. What is that? Write it down in the chat. Felie Elu. Okay, Ben, I've gotten your response. That's fine. Felie Elu. Right? Write the word. 1, 2. Write the word. Felie Elu. Okay? Felie Elu. That's correct. That's correct. Boy, you shot first, as usual. You are the assistant captain. Okay, Chikezie, Felie Elu, that's fine. All right, where are the rest? Felie Elu. Felie Elu. Okay, Ben, that's great. My brother, a new student, where are you, Okonkwo? What is the word? Felie Elu. Kevin, okay, that's great. Kevin has dropped. Where's Dr. Abdullahi? Felie Elu. Is it network problem or what? Not hearing you again. Felie Elu. All right. So, and what is the meaning of this word? Drop the meaning. What is the meaning of Felie Elu? Yes. Drop the meaning. Igbo drill. Igbo language challenge. What is the meaning of Felie Elu? Fly high. Chikezie has written. Who else is dropping the meaning? Igbo, fly up, fly high. Great. Great. Who else? Okonkwo, where are you? Ben, where are you? What's the meaning of the word Felie Elu? Don't look at what others wrote. Write your own. Challenge your own understanding in your brain, your level of knowledge. Ben, fly up, fly high. Okay? Okonkwo, where are you? Barbara, Dr. Blahi, Neka, where are all of you now? You are not contributing again. Okay, Felie Elu. Felie Elu. Okay, 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 I agree with you. Fly up or fly high. That's all correct. Fly up, fly high. They are both correct. Okay, now the sentence. I'm going to give you a sentence in Igbo. The bird flew high, or the bird flew up. There's a little difference here. This is the past tense of fly up. So let me know who can get it. Let me know how deep, how much you have gone in Igbo language. The bird flew up. The bird flew up. This is the past tense of fly. So you are writing, write the past tense of fly in Igbo. Okay? The bird flew up. Write it in Igbo, but write the fly in past tense in Igbo. Nnụnụ feliere elu. Great. Nnụnụ fere elu. Great. Nnụnụ felili elu. Great. I love that. I love the challenge. Okonkwo, where are you? Ka ihe dị bia n'Igbo. Ka ihe dị bia n'Igbo. I didn't get your question, Mr. Kevin. I didn't get your question clearly. You mean the beer? What kind of beer are you referring to? The animal? Or I didn't get your question. But let me attend to the answers to my question first. Okay. One person got it perfectly well. So Ibo would have gotten it, but not the way she wrote failure. She has idea, but it's not correct. But Chikezie, the class captain, got felili. That is the correct word. Felili. Elu. That is the correct word. Felili elu. So look at what Chikezie wrote. Nnụnụ feriri elu. Igbo, you are nnụnụ is also not correct. Is single. You have to have dot under them, and the second N is a single one, just like class captain wrote it. Nnụnụ is not double N again. First double N is correct. The second one is single N. Nnụnụ feriri elu. Chikezie got it very well. What is beer in Igbo? Please, I'm trying to understand, Mr. Kevin, which beer are you referring to? Is it beer as animal, or beer as a drink, or what? Or beer as carry something? These are three things. To bear something, is it to carry, or endure something. What are you referring to? So that I will know if I can get the right meaning in Igbo. Sorry about that. I need to give further clarification to know what I'm going to say. Okay, so we got this right. The next word is fanyeya. Fanyeya. Give me the word. Fanyeya. Give me the word. Fanyeya. Fanyeya. What is the word? Fanyeya. As we are waiting for you to drop these words, we need to know that in the next 5 minutes, we're going to round up this class. And those of us who are joining us for the first time, please don't forget to, check the description box of this video after this live session. It will be uploaded automatically. Please go to the description box of this particular live session video, open it up and look at the link to our bookshop. Please hit the link to go to our bookshop to buy our ebooks. You need them. All our newcomers, all our new students, you need the ebooks. They'll give you the foundational knowledge. And the beautiful thing is that you have the text with you, you have the audio with you, we read for you, permanently you have them with you. You have a reference book to go back to in case you forget anything. You can always go back to them. Even our old students, you need those books. Some of you bought our initial books, but we have written more, and we have about 9 books there. I'm sure there are some of the books you have not bought as old students. Please go to bookshop and check. You will see new books there you have not bought. Buy them up to date. You need to do that as a way of keeping history, keeping notes, having a reference book, having audio to refer back to for more learning and education. Do that today. And also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. These things you will do to help us. And as you watch the video, please share it so that friends can also gain access to it. Thank you for doing that. That is the best way you can support this channel. You can help us to grow and cover our costs and keep pushing and doing what we do. If you don't do that, there's no way we can remain in business of teaching you Igbo language. That's their way of supporting us. Buy the books. Whether you understand what is there or not, buy for friends, buy for family members, share it around, and God will bless you as you do so. Now, fanyeya, what is the meaning of fanyeya? That is the last word we're dealing with today. What is the meaning of fanyeya? What is the meaning? Fanyeya. What is the meaning of fanyeya? Yeah, squeeze it. Yeah, good trier. Who else? Squeeze it in. That's great. Yes, more trials. No, felilielu. Oh, Ben is coming behind. Okay, that is correct. That's the last word. The last thing we dealt with. We'll move on from there. We are in the next word, which is the last word for today. Squeeze it in. That is the right word. Squeeze it is, okay, but not perfect. Fanyeya is squeeze it into something. Squeeze it into something. That is the right word. That is the right meaning. Fanyeya. Okay, let's take the sentence now. Squeeze it into the bottle. Squeeze it into the bottle. That is the sentence. Now, drop it in Igbo language. Squeeze it into the bottle. Squeeze it into the bottle. That is the sentence. Squeeze it into the bottle. Fanyeya n'ime karama. Great. Igbo, you are too much. You are too much. You are too much. It remains small. You would have overtaken and dethroned Kevin. Okay. Fanyeya n'ime karama. What did Ben write? Fanyeya karama. Not perfect. Not perfect. Okay. What about our class captain? What is he waiting for? Somebody is taking your place. So you've not replied. Is it network problem? I guess it's network. Yeah. Squeeze it into the bottle. Write it in Igbo language. Class captain. Fanyeya n'ime karama. Okay. Karama. Yeah. Karama is accepted. Karama is more accepted. It's more popular than Ululu. Okay, Bembe. Fanyeya n'ime karama. That's the word. That's the sentence. That's perfect. That's perfect. So I think this is where we are dropping it today. Haven't spent close to 1 hour, 40 minutes. The problem I have is that most of us don't join on time. If you come up on time, we should be able to end this video in 1 hour. But some of us join later after we've spent about 30 minutes or thereabout before we join up. And that does not allow us to cover much. When we start, we intend to start immediately moving into the lesson. But sometimes we spend 20 minutes waiting for us to come up to join the class before we begin. So let's try to come on time, join on time, keep your schedules every Saturday. Every Saturday, is by 2 p.m. Nigerian time. You just adjust it to your own time wherever you are in any part of the world. Adjust it to your time zone. It's 1300 GMT, so that you can know the exact time to join. So somebody that always join on time is Barbara, and then Igbo. They always come on time. So let's try to emulate them. Join on time so that we can. Once we have about 5 people in class at the exact time, we begin our class so that others will be joining. I don't need to waste my time waiting for you to come and join the class before we begin. So please, let's do it together again next Saturday. Somebody is asking, how do you say tithe in Igbo? Tithe is mpagide, or the mpagide, that is tithe. Somebody can also drop if you have any different idea from what I said. Okay, I know they use Niger punctuality. You see, Nigerians are used to African time. We don't use African time in the internet. We use global time. Other people have their own schedule. So let's come at the exact time so that we can do more, cover more ground before the end of the session. Okay, tithe is in Magide. I've said that. Somebody has also said that in the chat session. So let's try to do that next time, next Saturday. I see you. I wait for you by 2 p.m. Let's be here right on time. Let's cover enough ground before 1 hour so that we will not waste much data and time of other people. God bless you, Chukwukoziegi, for being in class today. Give us a thumbs up, give us high, give us a clapping emoji. Let's appreciate what we've done today. And remember, those of you who have not bought our books, even old students, go and buy our books. That is the only way you can support this project and this program. That's the only way we can cover our costs to prepare lessons and be online every time like this. We need to, cover our costs. Please do that. Don't say I bought some before. Buy more. Buy for friends. Encourage us. Let's do this together. Emailer, thank you. Sorry, Duty called me. I know you are not around, Barbara, but you have tried. Chukwugozie Nile for coming on board today, for making our time to be in the class today. Chukwugozie gị emailer ka ọ dị Saturday ọzọ. Daalụ nụ. Bye.